Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Church Girl. If you are new to this channel, welcome and thank you for joining me for today, and please don't forget to subscribe and also share to your contacts. I'm making a quick video. I'm outside my house in my little garden. I have taken some of the leaves out, but I wanted to show you something which is very important. We are in fall. That means we are getting to the cold season, and the leaves are starting to get brown, getting yellow, and it's gonna fall out. But I came here purposely to show you about peppers. Okay, I have peppers here. I'm not gonna be talking about the actual pepper that we use in our food. I'm gonna be talking about the leaves. Okay, the leaves are very, very important to our body. It is packed with nutrients, but after the season, after summer, especially those of us who live in North America, we just get rid of the leaves. We don't make use of it. And today I decided to show you some of the things that the leaves can be used. As you can see here, that is my habanero. See, I have a habanero here, green habanero. Okay, and I also have the cayenne pepper, which is the red one that you see over there. Let me show you closely. Okay, this is ripe. I'm gonna get it out. Okay, I want to show you of the pepper leaves. It's really packed with nutrients. Like I said, it's very rich in vitamin A, B, C, vitamin B1, B2, iron, calcium, and potassium. It actually has more calcium than a glass of milk, so this is a great alternative for those who are vegetarians. Okay, let me show you a little bit more. Those who are vegetarians and they want to make use of they want to increase their calcium intake, this is a great alternative. So you can make stew with it, you can add it to your salad, you can saute, add it to your soup, your chicken soups. You know, it's really, really good because it's really packed with nutrients, like I said. So it does boost your immune system. It does boost your immune system really, really well. And what you do with it is, if you want to use it, you can blend it fresh and drink it, or you can boil it. You can also boil it in water for about 10-15 minutes. And it's really windy out here. I'm just taking the risk. I'm really cold. And drink it also. Make tea with it and drink it. It's very good. It's really, really good. It also helps with arthritis. If you have arthritis, you can just blend it fresh, apply it on your arthritic pain, and it's gonna go away. It's also very good for shingles. Shingles is come as a result of some people who have chicken pox. They do get shingles. After that is not right away, but maybe after some years they can develop shingles. So you just have to grind it, crush it, and apply to it. It also cleans toxins within your body. That means it fights free radicals, because most of the food that we eat contribute to that. So it's one of the plants which is very, very good at fight free radicals in our body. It also aids in weight loss. So those who wants to lose some pounds, you can get at these leaves. You don't make use of it, just get at it. You can dry. You can decide to dry. You don't have to use it fresh. You can decide to dry it. And if you want to use it for weight loss, you boil it in a glass of water, and after about 10-15 minutes, and you add a little bit of lemon to it or lime to it, and take it in the morning on an empty stomach. Okay, and at night you can take another glass also. That will aid in weight loss because it has zero fats and it doesn't do anything. So it also helps with it because it's really, really, really good. This is also, we all know that pepper has capsaicin, which is very great for arthritis and all those things. So it does helps with the capsaicin in it too. It does aid in weight loss. So if you use it, it has that pepperiness to boost your your metabolism if you have a weak metabolism. So this is a great alternative. Those who want to lose weight, lose some pounds, it's good for you, or burn fat, or if you have cholesterol, you can make use of it by adding a little bit of lemon to it, once it comes to a boil. Okay, it's also very good for those who have diabetes. Okay, especially those who take insulin. It's really great for, it helps your pancreas, okay, to absorb sugar into your system. So it regulates all those things. So this is a natural insulin. Okay, there are some plants which helps you, those who take insulin all the time. If you make use of this, you don't have to be taking insulin. Some people have been taking it a few times a day, and if you make this, add it to your salad or soups, or you make tea with it, this is also a great alternative for those who are diabetic. Okay, it helps you a lot. It helps your pancreas. Your pancreas loves pepper leaves, so make use of it. It also helps with indigestion. Those who have indigestion, after eating, you can make a tea. Okay, after eating your food, you just drink a glass of it, and it will aid with digestion, because you don't want all those things. And it does help with gas as well too. Okay, because if you have indigestion, that's where you're going to be developing all these gases, and it leads to so many things, and people complain a lot, stomach ache and all kinds of stuff. So it is in digestion, like I said. Also, if you have fever, you can crush it, okay, and add lettuce oil to it and apply it on your forehead. Okay, just apply it on your forehead, and that's help with headache and fever. Okay, and for wound care, especially those who have diabetes, when you get a little bit of cuts, it festers, and it develops into something else. It does help with wound care if you crush it and apply it on your wounds. It heals your wounds. It has antioxidant properties and anti-inflammatory properties also in it that helps with wound care and all those things. So if you have wound care, make use of it, and it's free. Some people will even give it to you for free, so there's no need for you to say, I can't get my hands on pepper leaves. It also helps with acne. Those who have acne, pimples, acne, big ones, small ones, whatever it is, you just apply it on your face, and it does help you. Okay, you crush it and apply it on your face, and it's not gonna be peppery like the actual peppers, because the leaves is not too it's not that peppery like the actual pepper. So you don't have to worry that it's gonna burn your face. If you are worried, what you can do is you can make a patch test by applying it on a very small area in your face to see how your body reacts to it. Then you can apply it all over your face. Okay, and it's also used for good scrubs, like for scrubs. If you want to scrub your face, your body, those who have uneven skin tone, you can crush it, apply it on your skin to get a smooth skin, remove wrinkles and all those things on your body. Really, really, really good for you. And you can also use it as mask. Okay, those who have masks, they want to be blended. You don't always have to be using the cucumber and all those kinds. Pepper leaves can also be used for masks as well too. And one thing that I want to share with you is especially those who live in areas where they can't get their hands on mouthwash, or maybe it's expensive for them to buy mouthwash. This is also a great alternative. All you need to do is to boil it in water, and you wash your mouth with it, and that is a great mouthwash. It helps with all those mouth ulcers. Some people have receding gums and things like that, called the gum diseases. This is gonna get rid of it. So these are some of the things that pepper leaves does, and make use of it. You either boil it as tea, where you need to apply it fresh, you just crush it, blend it, whatever it is, and apply it on it, and you'll be fine. And don't throw it away. Okay, I'm trying to get people to use things that is in your own garden. You don't have to be going to the grocery store to buy things that you have it available. Make use of it. One thing I also want to let people know is you can actually dry it. I'm gonna be getting the peppers out, dry it very nicely, and keep it especially during the winter months when it's so cold. This will help you with all this cold going on during the winter month, the flu. This will help you. This will be one of your teas. You can store it that way. Okay, you can make a tea with it and store it that way. So once again, my name is Church Girl. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe right below, and also give your girl a thumbs up to give me some encouragement. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye bye.